I've been getting a lot of questions about my new day trading course. What's the deal, Patrick? Is it just trend lines? Is it everything that I already know? What is in the course? Well, let's talk about it. First off, it's built to get you through a lot of the beginner stage questions, but also to build a foundation. I had a trader the other day who said that he believed that the course was too simple. But I asked him, I said, well, why did you feel the need to buy a course if you thought, you know, that you're already an expert as a trader? And he said, well, I was looking for more information. And I'm like, guys, at the end of the day, there is no perfect strategy that fits everybody. There is no exact strategy that's going to make you rich. There is no simple strategy that is just magically going to, you know, appear and you're going to know exactly what to do and you're going to become profitable. It doesn't exist. I'm being honest with you. I wish I could sit here and tell you that if you paid $200 for my course, you would instantly get rich, but it's probably not going to happen, right? It's just the fact. A lot of people will fail as day traders, but if you don't have even a proper foundation to fail from, then you might as well just go to Vegas. So in the course, we talk a lot about, you know, getting started. We have like the benefits of the prop firms. But as we build, you know, it goes through the platforms that I'm using, talking about the charting software. We go through here, you know, and really just kind of dive into everything. These videos, as you can see right now, kind of the different chapters. There are tons of videos. We talk a lot about the market structure. We talk about how to analyze the market to, you know, really get a good idea of what the trend is doing, where to be trading, what you should be looking for. We talk a lot about, you know, the indicators that I'm using here with the VWAP, with the pivot point, how to set up all the indicators, and then kind of moving through the course. You know, chapter 5, the big thing here is talking about momentum, how to be entering and exiting trades based on momentum, what to be looking for, you know, your entries, your exits, and all that fun stuff. You know, really diving into very kind of simple concepts, but also very important concepts that a lot of traders just, I feel like they avoid learning. They avoid learning the simple things because they want this really advanced strategy that they think is like, okay, if I have a really advanced, amazing, you know, strategy, that I'm for sure going to get rich from doing that. So that's just not the case. As you can see here, just kind of going through, we talk about, you know, how to find the gap fills, what to be looking for, how to identify it. And I kind of break it all down, you know, and then getting more into breakouts and the different patterns to be looking for and just where to be exiting trades. So like chapter 7 is focused a lot on timing your entries. You know, are you entering the trade early? Are you entering it late? How, you know, how can you improve on that? And then, you know, diving into just simple things like drawing a yellow line across a chart, talking about how to identify areas of consolidation, the ranges. And then as we move forward, you know, we got to get into the risk management, the trading psychology, talking about sizing, how to manage your risk, you know, the overall trading psychology that comes with being able to get into a trade, get out of a trade, and all of that fun stuff. So this is all very important stuff. We build on all of this. There's about 6 or 7 live trade breakdowns where I show live trades, my entries, my exits, and kind of show you exactly what I'm looking at while I'm in the trade. And those videos are all there in the course. So again, you know, is this course for everybody? I think this is a very strong foundational foundational course. I think that's what it is. For $200, it's going to give you the basics. It's going to give you a strong foundation that you can build off of, that you can look at and be like, okay, this is kind of what I'm looking for. We talk about, you know, the 10-point checklist every morning. I go through my game plan here, there in the course, kind of breaking down, you know, the number 1 through 10 breakdown of what I'm looking for in the video and kind of showing it. Patrick Wieland's 10-step morning game plan, as you can see here, you know, going through from top to bottom, the setups I'm looking for, how I'm looking for, and just all of that stuff. So got a lot of value in the course. It's $200. Haters are going to hate. They're going to say, Patrick, you know, if you're so rich, why do you have a course? And my answer to that is, well, Have you ever met a rich person that didn't want to get richer? All right. I think there's a lot of value. You're getting a lot of information built into this course. It's helping you avoid, all the time, the effort of going out and searching for all this, because it's, chronologically ordered as you progress as a trader, from chapter 1 to chapter 11, just breaking down kind of all those questions and everything that you need to learn in the beginning. If you've been trading for a year, 2 years, and you haven't found success, you're still not consistent, I still think there's a lot of information built into this course. You got the 10-step checklist for the morning, the PDF you can download right there on the course, and all that fun stuff. So again, like I always say, it's really comes down to, do you see value in learning these things? For $200, could you be looking at a better opportunity in the market? Could you be looking at better entries, exits? We had a really good setup there on the NASDAQ here on Friday. This breakout over the VWAP. This is like textbook, another little textbook breakout. We talked about this one live on the stream. So if you got in there at the 575s, it pushed all the way up there to the 660s. So you can see the potential. Your entries right there at the 76s, your stops right below the 60s. Ding, 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 ding. And look at that move. We had the VWAP, we had the pivot points and all that fun stuff. So if you want to learn more about this strategy, you want to get into trading, this is the perfect course for you. If you're struggling with entries and exits and you're fighting the trend. If you're fighting the trend, this is the course for you. If you're just not finding consistency, this is also the course for you. So there it is. We got a lot of stuff going on, and I'm excited. We got a big webinar happening this week on Wednesday. So if you buy the course, you're going to get access to that webinar for people who bought the course. It's a 3-hour webinar. I'm going to be breaking down everything, answering questions, trading live with you guys, and all of that fun stuff. So right now, it's happening. The only trading course that you need. Check out the link down below. Peace to the Middle East.